In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn what is Salesforce Classic, what is Salesforce Lightning experience, difference between Classic and Lightning, how we can switch from Lightning to Classic, how to switch from Classic to Lightning. We are discussing complete tutorial in this video. If you are new to Salesforce, this is one of the most important topic because many companies still use both interfaces. So watch this video until the end because I will explain everything in simple way. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first I will go with one PPT presentation, then it will more easier to understand. Okay, let's start. So first we need to understand what is Salesforce Classic. Salesforce Classic is the old user interface of Salesforce. Classic Salesforce interface is simple, text-based, less visual, old design layout. Many old companies still uses Classic because their users are already comfortable with that. Then what is the Salesforce Lightning? Salesforce Lightning is the modern Salesforce interface introduced by Salesforce.com in 2019. In the early of 2019, most of the companies are used Salesforce Classic, but after the 2019, most of the companies switched to or preferred using Salesforce Lightning. Then what Lightning experience provides? Modern UI, better dashboards, drag and drop customization, mobile friendly experience, better productivity tools. In Lightning experience, we can also use AI features like iScenes, like that. So today's Salesforce mainly focus on Lightning experience. So most of the new features are related only in Lightning, not available in Classic. Then we will go with what is the difference between Classic versus Lightning. In Salesforce Classic, it is the old interface, less visuals, limited customization. Customizations are only limited or mostly admin can do or by using code we can customize. Weak mobile support. Built-in AI is not available. Still some features are not added in Salesforce Classic. Performance is reliable but slower. But in Lightning experience, modern user interface, faster and visual, better productivity. It will also support mobile experience. AI and automations are support. Drag and drop app builder. So this is more easier to customize. Even other user can also, based on their usage, they can customize. Then why is this important? For example, currently I will go to my Chrome. I currently switch it to Salesforce Classic. You can see the user interface is old version. Some features are available, but we can use this in Lightning experience very easily compared to Salesforce Classic. Then what are the pros and cons? Classic is familiar to long-time users, simple, stable and predictable, sometimes faster for bulk data entry. In Lightning, modern UI and it can able to customize powerful dashboards and some additional AI feature can also included. It will first focus on mobile users. Then what are the cons? In Classic, no features are ever again. Weak mobile and reporting. Looks and feels outdated. But in Lightning experience, learning curve for switchers can be heavier on old browser. Some legacy adds on new rework. This is the pros and cons of Classic versus Lightning experience. Then which should you use? In this generation, most of the people or users or customers have a mobile. So when we go with Lightning experience, it is the present future of Salesforce. Every new features, AI capability and mobile improvement ships her first. So it will improve the productivity. Some key things we need to remember like Classic is the original means when the Salesforce is founded, they first introduced the Classic version. It is a reliable, familiar but frozen with no new features. Later, Lightning is the future means for the modern business or the current generation, most of the peoples are use mobiles. So it will support modern visual mobile support and AI features. Lightning wins on capability, better dashboards, customization, and productivity tools. So when we have dashboards and reports, it will help to understand the business growth. So if you are currently using Classic experience, make the plan to switch Lightning experience. So then we need to understand how we can switch Lightning experience to Classic experience and Classic experience to Lightning experience. Why this topic is important? In many companies, some users are still working in Classic, some users are still in Lightning. So as a Salesforce admin or developer, you must know how to switch between both interfaces. So this is also a common Salesforce interview question. So then how to switch from Lightning to Classics? So how we can switch? So you just click on your profile. So once you click on your profile, in this option, you have something like switch to Salesforce Classic. So you just click on that. Entire Salesforce Lightning experience is switched to Salesforce Classic experience. Then how we can switch again for the Lightning experience? In this page, you can see there is a one link or some label like switch to Lightning experience. If you simply click on that, automatically Salesforce Classic user interface is switched to Salesforce Lightning experience. So some important things we need to note, that is sometimes user cannot be switch Lightning experience options. Why? Because Lightning experience may not be enabled for the that profile. So in that case, Salesforce admin must enable the Lightning access. So this is how we can switch Classic to Lightning, Lightning to Classic. So that's for today tutorial. I hope you understand this thing clearly. Thank you for watching.